Hey everyone, I am Tim with Original Strength. Welcome to the Original Strength channel. Got a lot of new subscribers, so I thought I would make this video to let you know the best place to start. So the goal of the Original Strength channel is to help you discover how wonderful your body is so that you can feel amazing in your own skin. So the best place to start is we have 5 movements that we call resets, and there are 5 playlists that correspond with these movements: breathing, head control, rolling, rocking, and crawling. If you spend any time exploring those movements every day, you're going to feel amazing. The brakes are going to come off your body, aches and pains and limitations are going to go away, your strength is going to go through the roof. Those 5 movements give your nervous system great, soothing, safe information, and it just improves everything about how your body moves. Not only that, it improves how you think, your creativity improves, your ability to solve problems improves, and your emotions, how you can handle your own emotions. Everything about you improves when you start moving the way you were designed. And you were designed, so as it turns out, to breathe, control the movements of your eyes and your head, to roll around on the ground once in a while, to rock back and forth on your hands and knees, and to crawl. And you're like, well, I'm an adult, I'm not supposed to crawl. Yeah, but that's really walking. I mean, crawling is walking on your hands and knees, and walking is crawling standing up. So you are designed to do those things, and rolling, you are designed to roll. We're supposed to rotate and turn all the time. Anyway, if you own those 5 movements, you're gonna feel amazing. So spend your time there, breathing, head control, rolling, rocking, crawling. Check out the playlist. There are other playlists, how to do push-ups, squats, weight lift, stuff like that. But that's not really the good stuff. The good stuff, the stuff that's going to allow you to do everything you want to do better and to feel amazing in your own body, is breathing, head control, rolling, rocking, crawling. Start there. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for joining the channel. Let me know how I can help, and we'll see you next time.